Jack and King's hand-picked clean clams. Keep the original umami and freshness with no artificial additives. Only to pursue the delicacy and the healthy way. Thaw the clam meat, flush it slightly and drain the excessive water. Heat some oil in the pan on high heat. Fry some ginger and garlic until it's fragrant, add chili pepper to stir fry. Put the clam meat with some soy sauce in the pan, add some chili sauce, to stir fry for 2 more minutes. Then plate and dress it with chive and coriander pieces to serve. The clam meat is juicy and savory with smooth taste. Easy to cook, ready to eat. If you enjoy the original flavor, you can parboil the clam meat, mix it with garlic paste sauce. Chewy and delightful in sapid sea flavor. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime anywhere.